Welcome to EduRev. Let's begin today's UPSC Daily Current Affairs 21st December 2025 with a crisp, story-driven walkthrough that not only explains what happened, but also why it matters for your UPSC preparation. Stay with me till the end. I'll also help you summarize everything smartly and show you how to revise faster using the EduRev app. Child marriage in India. Why ending it by 2030 is still a challenge. Why in news? The Union government has launched a 100-day awareness campaign to mark 1 year of the Vivah Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, reaffirming India's promise to end child marriage by 2030 in line with global commitments. What's the context? Child marriage is a human rights violation linked to poor health, low education, and intergenerational poverty. It directly connects to United Nations SDG 5.3, ending harmful practices against women. Key insights you must remember. Child marriage declined from 47.4% 2005 to 2006 to 23.3% 2019 to 2021. Progress, but momentum is slowing. Stark regional contrast. West Bengal and Bihar, approximately 40% versus Himachal Pradesh and Lakshadweep, very low. Education is the biggest game changer. 50% of uneducated girls marry before 18. Only 4% with higher education do so. The Prevention of Child Marriage Act 2006 halved prevalence, but law alone isn't enough. Current policy debate. Proposal to raise women's marriage age to 21 years. Supporters. Promotes education and economic independence. Critics. Fear poor enforcement and penalizing marginalized families. Why this matters for UPSC GS2. Social justice, women empowerment, governance essay. Gender equality, demographic dividend. Prelims. Acts, schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Rethinking rural employment. The end of MGNREGA? Why is this in the news? Parliament has passed the VBG Ramji Bill, replacing the MGNREGA 2005, a move that has sparked protests over lack of debate and dilution of rights. What was MGNREGA? A rights-based law guaranteeing 100 days of employment, universal and non-discriminatory, no caste, BPL or category filters. Acted as a lifeline during COVID-19, stabilizing rural economies. What changes now? Shift from demand-driven, supply-driven. Employment capped by union budget. States bear higher financial burden. Workdays increased to 125, but center controls allocations. The debate. Government cites corruption and misuse. Critics argue problems lie in implementation, not design. Social audits and transparency already exist. Rupee at 91 rupees per US dollar. Crisis or currency cycle? Why in news? The Indian rupee breached 91 rupees per US dollar, sparking fears of a slide towards 100 rupees. What's driving the fall? External factors. High US tariffs, up to 50% on Indian exports. Global risk-off sentiment. Domestic factors. Persistent current account deficit. Heavy gold imports. Capital flow dependence. Expert divide. Pessimists. Hurts income growth and investor confidence. Optimists. Temporary shock. Fundamentals remain strong. Way forward. Diversify exports. Reduce CAD structurally. Focus on productivity, not weak currency, for competitiveness. Why this matters for UPSC GS3? External sector, macroeconomic stability. Prelims, CAD, exchange rate terms. Essay, growth versus stability debate. India-Oman SEPA, India's gateway to the Gulf. Why news? India signed a comprehensive economic partnership agreement with Oman, India's oldest strategic partner in the Gulf. Key features: 98% tariff lines duty-free for Indian exports. 127 services liberalized: IT, health, education. 100% FDI allowed in services. First ever trade pact clause on Ayush. Strategic importance: gateway to GCC, Africa, and Central Asia strengthens maritime security in Indian Ocean. Supports MSMEs and labor-intensive sectors. Challenges: trade deficit approximately 2.5 billion US dollars. Underused services potential. Omanization policy affecting Indian workers. Why this matters for UPSC GS2? Trade diplomacy, West Asia. Prelims, CEPA versus FTA. Mains, strategic economics. Kakori train action, when revolution took center stage. Why in news? Tributes were paid to Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Roshan Singh on Balidan Divas, 19th of December. What happened? 9th of August 1925. HRA revolutionaries looted British treasury near Kakori. No passengers harmed, symbolic resistance. Led to executions in 1927. Legacy: inspired formation of HSRA, influenced Bhagat Singh and socialist revolutionaries, showed Hindu-Muslim unity. Why this matters for UPSCGs? 1. Freedom struggle, revolutionary phase. Prelims, dates, organizations. Essay, means versus ends debate. Pamir-Karakoram anomaly, when glaciers defy global warming. What is it? Glaciers in the Karakoram and Pamir ranges remain stable, unlike melting Himalayan glaciers. Why? Heavy winter snowfall. Western disturbances, not monsoon. Debris-covered ice. Summer cloud cover. Why important for India? Feeds the Indus River system, vital for Ladakh and J&K water security. Recent data suggests anomaly may weaken. Why this matters for UPSC GS1? Climate and geomorphology. GS3, climate change and water security. Prelims, Karakoram versus Himalayas. Boost your UPSC prep with EduRev. Want daily current affairs, topic-wise notes, PYQs, mock tests, and AI-powered revision tools all in one place? Download the EduRev app, available on Play Store and iOS App Store. Trusted by lakhs of UPSC aspirants. Learn smarter, revise faster, score higher. EduRev, your companion from prelims to interview. See you tomorrow with more clarity, confidence, and current affairs.